RazorSync doesn't lock into one public flat monthly price because the cost changes based on the number of users and which field service features your business needs. That means a small solo technician setup and a multi-truck service company won't be paying the same monthly bill. By the end, you'll understand how RazorSync pricing is structured, what features sit behind the cost, and how to figure out if it's worth paying for compared to simpler scheduling apps. RazorSync is field service management software used by HVAC, plumbing, electrical, and maintenance companies. It combines scheduling, dispatching, customer management, invoicing, and mobile job tracking into one system. The pricing reflects that it replaces several separate tools instead of just handling one task. The biggest factor affecting cost is the number of users. Each technician or office staff member who needs access to schedules, job updates, or customer data contributes to the total monthly price. A solo operator will always sit at the lower end compared to a team coordinating multiple daily jobs. The second factor is feature access. Basic use typically includes job scheduling, customer tracking, and invoicing. More advanced setups tend to add dispatch tools, GPS tracking for technicians, and workflow automation that reduces manual scheduling and follow-ups. As you move into more advanced operations, the cost increases because the software is doing more of the coordination work for you. The third factor is how deeply you integrate it into your business. Companies that fully replace spreadsheets, paper job sheets, and separate invoicing tools usually need more setup and configuration. That level of use often pushes businesses into higher pricing tiers because they're running their entire operation through the system. In practice, RazorSync tends to make the most sense for businesses that are already managing a steady flow of jobs and need tighter scheduling and communication between office staff and field technicians. The value comes from reducing missed appointments, improving dispatch speed, and keeping job details organized in real time. For very small operations or new contractors still handling jobs manually, the cost can feel high compared to basic scheduling apps that only cover one part of the workflow. So here's the summary. RazorSync pricing depends mainly on users and feature depth. Costs rise as you add more team members and automation tools. It's best suited for service companies that need full scheduling and dispatch control in one platform. Next step is simple. Map out how many people need access and what tools you're currently using for scheduling, invoicing, and customer tracking so you can see what RazorSync would actually replace. If you want more clear breakdowns of field service software without sales language, subscribe for more straightforward comparisons.